Morning students, today we are going to learn about the unknown side. Find the unknown side. How to find the unknown side of the given triangles in geometry. Now let us see the first heading. Find the unknown side in the following triangles. See this picture. The shape of this one is a triangle ABC. Here the base is 40 centimeter, that is given in the sum. Height is 9 centimeter. Listen, see the triangle ABC. Here the base is 40 centimeter. Then here height is AC, that value is 9. You have to find this value x. Okay, here x is given, not having anything. So you have to find out. This is the unknown side, that is hypotenuse side. You have to find out this value of this hypotenuse side. Okay. Is it clear? Now let us see by using the Pythagoras theorem and then apply the theorem and find out the value of x. Now by using the Pythagoras theorem, so first you have to write in triangle ABC. So apply the Pythagoras theorem, that is AB squared plus AC squared equal to BC squared, that is highest side, that is longest side is the hypotenuse, plus AB squared plus AC squared equal to BC squared. This is the Pythagoras theorem. You can apply the value here. AB is 40, here 40 centimeter, that is given, so that is 40 square plus AC 9 square equal to BC square. You have to find out this BC value only. So now 40 square, that is 1600 plus 9 nines are 81 equal to BC square. So you have to add this one. Okay, 1681 equal to BC square. This is the value of BC square. So but we want to find out the value of BC only. So now you can take the square root of this number. Find out the square root of this number and find the value. Now let us continue. Then AB square, find out the value already. Then BC square, we got the value. BC square equal to 1681. We want to find out the value of BC only. Okay, BC square equal to 1681. We want to find out the BC value only though. So you can take the square root of this one, 1681. Already we know that. Okay, by using the long division method, any method we can use, prime factorization method or long division method. Now let us see the long division method. I will take now. So as usual you can find out here 4 4s are 16. Okay, here 0. Here you can multiply by 2. You will get another factor here 8. Okay. Well, listen carefully. 16 and 81. You can join this 2. So first take the 16 only. 4 4s are here 16. Here 0. Now you can multiply again another factor. You have to find out another divisor. Here 4 multiplied by 2. 8. So 8. Here then down number is 81. Here the number. Bring down the number. Then 81 here. Here 8 only. So you have to put that 1 only. So 81 into 1 equal to 81. So you will get 0. The remainder is 0. So 41 square root of this number, that is square root of 1681 is 41. That is BC, x value, that is value of hypotenuse side. BC equal to 41 centimeter. Whatever the measurement given, you have to write. Okay, is it clear? Now let us see the second sum. See the given shape, the triangle shape PQR. The given triangle PQR. Okay, in triangle PQR, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Sum of these two sides. Okay, base and the height equal to squares of the two sides. Sum of the squares of these two sides equal to the square of this hypotenuse. That is a Pythagoras theorem. So PQ square plus QR square. That is by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, you have to write this one. PQ square plus QR square equal to 34 square. That is PR square. Okay, that is equal to, you have to write PR square first. Then only you have to apply. Okay, so PQ square plus QR square equal to PR square. That is a Pythagoras theorem. PQ square, here we don't know the value. You want to find out this value only, y. Okay, find out the unknown side. Okay, this is the unknown side. So keep as it is, that y plus qr square, that is 30 square, equal to pr square, that is 34 square. So first you have to find out this one, y plus 30 square equal to 34 square. Okay, so y plus 30 square, that is 900, 30 into 30 equal to 34 square, that is 34 into 34, 1156. Okay, now we want to find out the value of y only. So that is pq square only. Okay, so y equal to 1156 minus this 900. This plus 900 comes to this side. So minus 900. Now that is y equal to 1156 minus 900. Okay. Now y equal to, you have to subtract this two number. So 1156 minus 900, that is 256. This is y. Y means what? PQ square. This side, PQ square, square of this side, PQ square equal to 256. Therefore, value of PQ, we want to find out the value of PQ only. PQ equal to square root of 256. By using the prime factorization or long division method, any method you can use, and then find out the answer is 16. So square root of 256 equal to 16. So the value of y this side, okay, measure of this side equal to PQ, that is y equal to 16 centimeter, whatever it is. Okay, that's all. Is it clear? See the third sum. See the given triangle XYZ. XY you have to find out this only. Okay, base is not given. You have to find out the value of Z here. So unknown side. Okay, here XZ equal to, that is height is given 36. Hypotenuse is also given, yz equal to 39. Here xy, the base is, you want to find out this base. Okay, so in triangle XYZ, so by Pythagoras theorem, apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now that is xy square plus xz square equal to yz square. So you want to find out this xy square only. Okay, so here keep the xy square plus xz square, that is 36 xy square plus 36 square equal to yz 39 square. You have to find out this only. Okay, so this one xy square is what? Z only. Z plus 36 square. You have to find out the value of 36 square. 36 into 36. Okay, that is 1296. 1296 equal to 39 square. 39 multiplied by 39. That is 1521. 1521. Okay. So now we want to find out the value of this Z only. Now let us continue. Then xy square equal to, so xy square plus xz square equal to yz square by Pythagoras theorem. So xy square, the value of xy is here z. So apply the z here. Z plus here 36 xz square 36 square, here yz is 39 square. 36 square value is 1296. Here 39 square is 1521. So we want to find out this value only. Therefore z equal to, this 1296 goes to this side. Okay, 1521 minus 1296. You have to subtract this two number. Okay, then you have to subtract this two number, means you will get 225. 1521 minus 1296, that is 1521 minus 1296. Your answer is 225. Okay, the value is 225. 225. Now let us find out the unknown side, that is xyz value, that is z. Xy square equal to 225. We want to find out the xy value only. So square root of 225. So square root of 225 is 15. Okay. Therefore z equal to 15 centimeter. This is the xy, this side. Value of this unknown side is 15. Okay, is it clear?